Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalawade, Atmi Green School, Standard 6, subject Math. So we are on exercise 12.3, right? So we have solved the third question, I think. So we will start the fourth one. The cost of 5 kg of wheat is 91.50 rupees. What will be the cost of 8 kilo wheat? What quantity of wheat can be purchased for rupees 183? Fine. So let's start to solve this example. The cost of 5 kg wheat is rupees 91.50. So the cost of 1 kg wheat is equal to 91.50 divided by 5. So the cost will be 18.30 rupees. You have to divide it, okay, and check the answer. Now we get the cost of 1 wheat. We calculated it by the unitary method. Now we will calculate the cost of 8 kg wheat. That is, the cost of 8 kg wheat is equal to 18.30 multiplied by 8. So we get here 146.40 rupees. Now next example, the quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 183 is equal to. Now for 1 kg we required 18.30 rupee, right? So for rupees 183 the quantity will be 183 divided by 18.30. Why? Because for 1 kilo we require 18.30 and the amount we have is 183. Okay, so if we divide we get 10, so it is 10 kg. Okay, so let's start the next example. The temperature dropped 15 degree Celsius in the last 30 days. If the rate of the temperature drop remains the same, how many degree will the temperature drop in the next 10 days? Now see here, 15 degree Celsius 15 degrees Celsius dropped in 30 days. So in one day the temperature drop is equal to 15 upon 30. That means 1 upon 2. That is equal to 0.5 Celsius. Now for the next 10 days the temperature drop is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 10. That is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So sixth example you have to take as a homework. So first of all I will tell you how to solve it. Okay, just give me 1 second. Fine. China pays rupees 15,000 as a rent for 3 months. How much does she pay to she has to pay for a whole year if the rent per month remains same? Now see here, for 3 months she has to pay 15,000. For 1 month she has to pay 5,000. Okay, and now we have to calculate for the whole year. So in a 1 year how many months are there? 12. So you have to multiply by 12 to the 5,000. Get it? Okay, so let's see the seventh example. The cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees, just 1 minute. The cost of 4 dozen banana is rupees 180. How many bananas can be purchased in rupees 90? Now see, 4 dozen means 4 into 12, 12 into 4, that is 48. Now for 48 bananas we require rupees 180. For 1 banana the price equal to 180 upon 48, right? What is a 180? Amount. And what is 48? Number of bananas. Okay, so we get the price of 1 banana. If we divide both by 6 we get 30 upon 8. Again we can divide by 2. So let's divide by 2. So we get 15 upon 4. Right? So the price of 1 banana is 15 upon 4. Now number of bananas can be purchased in rupees 90 is equal to 90 divided by 5 upon 15 upon 4. क्योंकि ऐसा है? Because the amount we have is 90 rupees and 15 upon 4 एक बनाना की कीमत है. ठीक है? Then we can calculate the number of bananas. Okay? Total amount divided by the price of 1 banana, we get the number of bananas. Okay? So 90 divided by 15 upon 4. So 90 multiplied by, we have to take the reciprocal of this. 15/4 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 4/15, राइट? So let's divide 15 1 जा 15, 15 6 जा 90. So 6 4 जा 64, 6 4 जा 24. आई एम सॉरी, 6 4 जा 24. 24 मतलब कितने डजन होते हैं? 2 डजन ना? Okay, so how many banana can we purchase? 2 dozen. Let's take the next. So 8th example is the homework. So let's see what is the homework given. The weight of 72 books is 9 kg. So what is the weight of 40 such books? देखो 72 बुक्स की कीमत कितने, 72 बुक्स का वेट कितना है? 9 kg. अब 40 बुक्स का कितना? पहले तो हमें एक बुक की वेट निकालना पड़ेगा. तो वी विल डू द वेट ऑफ वन बुक इज इक्वल टू 9/72. So we can divide by 9. 9 1 जा 9, 9 8 जा 27, 72, right? So it is 1/8. एक बुक का वेट होगा 1/8 किलोग्राम. Now we have to calculate the weight of 80 books. So we have to multiply the weight of 80 books is equal to 40 multiplied by 1/8, that is 5 kg. Okay, so you have to do it. I have orally told you. Fine. So let's start the next example. A truck requires 108 liter of diesel for covering a distance of 540 km. How much diesel will required by the truck to cover a distance of 165 km? Now see here, 100 liter covers the distance 594. For 1 liter, we require 194/108. So if we divide by 6, we get 99/18. Now 99 and 18 can be divisible by 9. We get 11/2 kilometer. Fine. Next. The amount of diesel required for 1650 kilometer is equal to 1650 divided by 11/2. So 11/2 क्या है? एक लीटर डीजल में डिस्टेंस कवर. तो 1650 divided by 11/2 we get here 300. देखो कैसे किया. 1650 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, ये डिवाइड है उल्टा, मतलब रेसिप्रोकल क्या आएगा उसका? 2/11. सो 11 1 जा 11, 11 1 जा 11, 11 5 जा 55 0. So 150 multiplied by 2 we get 300. Now next. Raju purchased 10 pens for 150 rupees. Manish buy 7 pens for 84 rupees. Can you say who got the pen cheaper? चलो पहले एक की पेन की कीमत दोनों की निकालते हैं. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैलकुलेट अबाउट द राजू. 10 पेन्स फॉर 150 rupees. फॉर 1 पेन प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 150/10, that is 15 rupees. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट. Manish purchased 7 pens for 84 rupees. So for one pen the price is equal to 84/7, that is 12 rupees. अब बताओ किसका चीपर है? मनीष का ना. Okay, so we have to write here Manish got the cheaper. Definitely Manish got the cheaper. So next, last question. Anish made 42 runs in 6 hours. Anup made 63 runs in 7 hours. Who made more runs per over? Now see here, Anish made 42 runs in 6 hours. In 1 hour, runs is equal to 42/6, that is 7 hour runs. Okay. Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. So in 1 over it is 63/7, that is 9 runs. तो किसने ज्यादा बनाए? Anup ने. Anup made more runs. So we have finished here our chapter. ठीक है. अगर किसी को भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो इस चैप्टर में आप फोन करके मुझे पूछ सकते हो, या ऑनलाइन क्लास में हम रिवाइज करवाएंगे. ठीक है. तो चलो हम रिवीजन स्टार्ट करें. जस्ट 1 minute. हाँ. Okay. So ratio and proportion. So in the first we see about the 2-3 examples. So here we have compared two quantities by the method of comparison. Now next we see the comparison by division the ratio. That is we calculate the price of bike and the price of car and